Shoreline of Hope is an audio-video book by Melissa Lockwood. Shoreline of Hope embarks on the mission to inform coastal communities of the coming changes as sea levels rise due to global warming, how to accept and prepare to relocate to higher ground. Offering expert insights to help coastal communities navigate the challenges of understanding the need to move to higher ground, it's a compelling call to action and a roadmap for resilience in the face of our changing world. Every great journey begins with a single step. In the pages that follow, we embark on a collective journey, not across foreign lands or distant galaxies, but through the shifting landscapes of our own planet, the coastal towns that we've called home for generations. This is a journey driven not by choice but by necessity as we navigate the rising tides that have become an undeniable reality of our time. As inhabitants of the coast, we've reveled in the beauty of ocean views, the rhythmic lullaby of waves, and the vibrant communities that have thrived on these shores. We've cherished the salty air, the camaraderie of coastal living, and the deep-rooted connections to the land and sea, but nature, relentless and indifferent, has been crafting a new narrative, a narrative of change and adaptation. Shoreline of Hope is an informative audio-video book created and shared to coastal communities, helping people to accept the need to relocate. In these pages, we will explore the compelling reasons why the rising tides have become an inescapable reality, reshaping not just our geography, but our lives, our communities, and our future. It seeks to transform the daunting prospect of relocation into an opportunity for resilience, renewal, and hope. Through the lens of science, community stories, and the wisdom of experts and survivors, we will uncover the path to higher ground. We will learn why to forge a new, sustainable legacy for generations to come. The journey ahead will not be without its challenges and heartaches, but it will also be marked by the resilience, innovation, and the unity of coastal communities around the world. In these pages, we find the knowledge, the inspiration, and the collective strength to face the rising tides together. For in our shared quest to adapt, rebuild, thrive, we will find the power to relocate and redefine what it means to call a place home.
The potential loss of coastal areas due to sea level rise is a deeply emotional and complex issue. People who live in coastal communities often have strong connections to the land, and the prospect of losing homes, communities, and a way of life can be overwhelming. Coping with such losses involves both individual and collective emotional responses. Here are some ways people might mourn and prepare emotionally. Community support. Building a strong sense of community and support can be crucial during times of change. Local communities may come together to share their experiences, fears, and hopes. Emotional support from neighbors, friends, and community leaders can help people navigate the challenges ahead. Open communication. Transparent and open communication about the potential risks and changes is essential.
Skyscrapers in coastal areas, including cities like New York City, can be affected by sea level rise and coastal flooding in several ways. Flood damage. Skyscrapers located in low-lying coastal areas are at risk of flooding during storm surges or extreme high tides. Floodwaters can damage the building's lower floors, including lobbies, mechanical systems, and electrical infrastructure. This can disrupt operations and cause costly repairs.
Sea levels are rising due to melting ice and thermal expansion related to global warming. This trend may have consequences for life on Earth. Sea level rise is an increase in the level of the world's oceans due to the effects of global warming. Burning fossil fuels is one of the causes of global warming because it releases carbon dioxide and other heat-trapping gases into the atmosphere. The oceans then absorb the majority of this heat. As water becomes warmer, it expands. This results in ocean levels rising worldwide. Land-based ice, such as glaciers and ice sheets, are greatly affected by global warming as well. These reserves of ice are located in places like Greenland and Antarctica. No one knew that all the amazing inventions of the Industrial Revolution would change the planet's atmosphere, but now that we know with clear research and monitoring, the global citizens need to adjust and change so that the planet will remain habitable for as long as possible.